Hello everyone, welcome to Lekker Treats. My name is Benedicta and thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we'll be making this mouth-watering eggplant or aubergine stew. Stay tuned and let's get started. As usual, all ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. We'll begin by marinating 1 kilogram meat with some salt and white pepper. Give it a good massage and set it aside to use later. Next, we'll be blending 2 onions, garlic, and 1 habanero pepper. The remaining onion we'll slice up and use later. We'll then slice our eggplant into thin sizes. You can do this by hand or alternatively use a slicer for convenience. Please subscribe to this channel for simple and easy recipes if you've not done yet. Next, we'll pour about 110 ml of oil into our saucepan and fry our meat for 10 minutes. Once our meat is done, we'll take it out. And then add our salted fish and chopped onions. After about 3 minutes, we can take out the salted fish. Next, we'll add about 3 cans of chopped tomatoes and our blended ingredients. We'll add our thyme and salt. Give it a good stir and allow to simmer for about 30 minutes on medium heat. So after 30 minutes, we'll add our tuna. And our sliced eggplant or aubergine. Add about 80 ml of water. And the fried meat. Give it a good stir and allow to simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll add some salt to taste and then our fried salted fish. Using the salted fish is totally optional, but then it gives the stew a very nice flavor. We'll let it simmer for about 10 to 15 more minutes on low heat. And our stew is all done. You can have this with rice or yam or even potatoes. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye!